Today I'm going to show you guys how I made a year's worth of Monday social media content for one of my clients in Canva using Bulk Create in less than 20 minutes. So the first thing you're going to do is make the design itself. This is some pretty basic branding for our branding. They do high quality videography and production for brands, and they wanted some social media posts that they can make every Monday. Really just something to get people motivated. Just a quick quote with their brand and Motivation Monday on it. So I whipped this together pretty quickly. Then I made a Google Sheet with a bunch of quotes. These are just random quotes for this example. If you're doing it for yourself, obviously you're going to want to use quotes that are specific to your niche. You can make this spreadsheet in Google Sheets, Excel, or Numbers. Really anywhere that you can export it as a CSV, which is the next step. I'm going to export this as a CSV. Then we're going to go over to Canva. We're going to go into our apps and search for bulk and open up this bulk create, and you're going to enter, or you're going to upload your CSV. You could do it manually. That is definitely an option, but for me, I'm going to do the CSV. Then it says right click an element to connect it to your data below. So I want it to be this quote text. I'm going to right click and hit connect data and then select quotes, which is going to put that in these brackets. Then you're just going to hit continue at the bottom. It's going to have all of them selected, and you hit generate 52 pages, and that's going to do its thing. And just like that, it's going to whip out all of these for you directly into your format. This is where you have to do a tiny little bit of tweaking, but it's really nothing big. You just have to scroll through and find ones like this that are too big and just edit the text until it can all fit. We'll do one more and then center it. And you're going to do that to all of them until they are all centered just like this. And it saves you a ton of time from having to copy and paste each one into here. It's a great time saver, one of my favorite tips using one of my favorite Canva features. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I will get back with you. And thanks so much for watching.